Okay, well, it's snowing out. Jack and I are inside watching TV. This is what it looks like outside. I've been outside and shoveled 4 times. That's how deep it is on my shovels in my stairwell. Yes, it actually does come inside. That's the snow on my draft blocker right there. Wind is whipping. This is the stairs. Go, this was shoveled over an hour ago. It's down the stairs. Car, street. It's terrible out. About to shovel this again. See how long it takes. It should take about a half hour, maybe 45 minutes to shovel all of this. See what happens. By the time I get to the top, the bottom's ready to be redone again. See what happens.